When someone mentions chicken enchiladas, most of us have an image of chicken wrapped in a warm corn tortilla, drowning in red chili sauce, smothered in cheese. But today's version of chicken enchiladas with roasted tomatillo salsa verde may just change your perception of chicken enchiladas. Now let's get to the ingredients. Today we're going to need the juice of 1 lime, some cilantro, some garlic, half a pound of tomatillos, white onion, and jalapeno. We're also going to need some shredded chicken. Rotisserie chicken is perfectly fine for this. Mexican crema, queso fresco, cilantro and green onion tops, and corn tortillas. Now it's time to cook. Turn your broiler on high with the rack at its highest setting. Now take all of your salsa ingredients, your onions, your jalapenos, your garlic, and your tomatillos, and put them on a lined baking dish with a rim on it. You want the rim on it to be able to catch all of the juices that will come out during the roasting process. Place this under the broiler and broil for 8 minutes, turning halfway through. Your sheet tray should look something like this. All the vegetables should be nicely charred and roasted. The skins were left on, the garlics and the onion to protect the flesh. Allow this to cool so you can handle it. Peel the skins off the onions and the garlic, cut the stems off the jalapenos, and place all of the ingredients in a blender. Add half of your lime. You can add some salt to taste here as well. I added about 2 teaspoons of salt here. On the chopped setting of the blender, let it blend for about 10 seconds or so. Then pulse it once or twice. We don't want this to be completely smooth. We want some texture left in the salsa, just like this. And now give it a taste, just in case it needs more lime or more salt. Mix in a couple of spoonfuls of your salsa with your chicken just to moisten the chicken. Take some of your salsa and put it on the bottom of your baking dish. You don't have to worry about covering every inch of the bottom. You just want it there to moisten the bottom of the tortillas so they do not stick. It's time to assemble the enchiladas. Spoon about 1/4 of your mixture onto a corn tortilla and roll it up like a cigar. Unfortunately, in the filming of this, my tortillas set out a little long and they weren't as pliable as I would have liked. Place your enchilada seam side down. And then repeat the process for the rest of your enchiladas. Once you have your tortillas assembled, cover them with some of the remaining salsa. You need to cover all of the tortilla, otherwise it will dry out in the baking process. You do not need to soak the tortillas and have them floating in the salsa. Just cover them completely with the salsa. When you've completed covering your salsa, you can place it in a 350-degree oven for approximately 10 minutes. And you know what that little bit left in the bowl is called? Chef snack, or as I like to call it, the chef's reward. And now that you've cooked your enchiladas, it's time to serve it, eat it, and enjoy it. And as you can see, this is not floating in salsa. It's covered, it's coated, the salsa's been absorbed. It looks very nice, but the real question is, how does it taste and how does it compare with the traditional chicken enchilada in the heavy red chili sauce? And it tastes really, really good. The roasted tomatillo salsa is tangy, not spicy, it's not overpowering. It blends well with the chicken, the tortillas, the cilantro, the creme fraiche, and the Mexican crema. This tastes really good and refreshing. Thank you for watching. Please check out our next video so we can continue our culinary journey together.
On behalf of the flight crew, thank you for flying with us and